Hi, I am Satya Narayanan. Welcome to our channel. Like, let's impart knowledge and education. You can reach us through sendouts@gmail.com. To see more videos, subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the notification button.
Problem number 3. A gaseous mixture of mean molecular mass 44 occupies a volume of 0.1 meter cube at 1 bar pressure and 340 Kelvin temperature. The gas is compressed polytropically according to the law PV power n to 0.015 meter cube volume and 10 bar pressure. Evaluate the amount of work done, change in internal energy and heat added or subtracted during the compression process. For the gas, mean molar specific heat at constant volume is equal to 25 kilojoule per kilogram mole Kelvin. This is one of the different problem. Let me tell you first how to write the given data. Look at this. The molecular mass is given as 44. Usually the unit for molecular mass will not be given. Keep noted, molecular mass should be written as 44. This 44 per mole. This is the unit per mole. Occupies a volume of 0.1 meter cube. So initial volume V1 is equal to 0.1 meter cube. Again I am telling you this is a volume. So I am using uppercase V since it is a initial state V1. At 1 bar pressure is given in bar. It should be converted into kilopascal. So P1 is equal to 1 bar. It is converted into kilopascal by multiplying it by 100. So it becomes 100 kilopascal. Temperature is given in Kelvin, so no issues. T1 is equal to 340 Kelvin. The gas is compressed. So it is getting compressed. The volume will be reduced. Also, it is a polytropic process. Compressed polytropically according to the law PV power n. Note that in this problem, n value is not given as like the previous two problems. So you have to determine the n value. We will see how to calculate the n. According to the law PV power n to 0.015 meter cube. So the volume is reduced to 0.015 meter cube. Initially it was 0.1, then it is reduced to 0.015 meter cube. Look at this, V2 becomes 0.015 meter cube. Since it is a compression process, volume will be reduced. And 10 bar pressure. Since the volume is reduced and it is getting compressed, the pressure will be increased. So initial pressure was 1 bar, final pressure was 10 bar. That is nothing but 10 into 100, 1000 kilopascal. So compression means volume will be reduced, pressure will be increased. If it is an expansion process, opposite one, volume will be increased, pressure will be reduced. Evaluate the amount of work done, change in internal energy and heat added or subtracted. We have to calculate work done, change in internal energy and heat. It may be either added or subtracted. As of now, we don't know. At the end of the problem, you will come to know during the compression process. One more data is given. Mean molar specific heat at constant volume, that is C suffix V. It is given. C suffix V is given as 25 kilojoule per kilogram mole Kelvin. What are all the things we have to determine? First one, work done between initial and final. So W1 to 2. Next one is change in internal energy. Initial inlet internal energy should be denoted as U1. Final is U2. So change in internal energy means U2 minus U1. Always final minus initial will be the change in process. It may be a pressure or it may be a temperature, it may be volume or it may be internal energy. Change means final minus initial. Since this is a change in internal energy, I have written this as U2 minus U1. And heat added or subtracted, we don't know. Q1 to 2. Let me tell you how to solve this problem. First, we have to calculate work done. Before that, we need to determine n value. For polytropic process, I have already told you, P1 V1 power n is equal to P2 V2 power n. This is the process between 1 and 2. So I am writing this as PV power n. That is P1 V1 power n is equal to P2 V2 power n. This equation can be written as P2 by P1 is equal to V1 power n divided by V2 power n. I am going to take natural logarithm, that is Ln, also called as log base e. on either side to determine the n. This is a simple mathematical expression you must know. Taking log on both sides, we get log e, also called as logarithm, natural logarithm ln. Log p2 by p1 is equal to log v1 power n divided by v2 power n. Now, this equation can be written as log e p2 by p1. Left hand side I have kept as it is. This power n be brought here, that is n log v1 by v2. This n is taken on left hand side, other terms are on the right hand side. So n becomes log p2 by p1 divided by log v1 by v2. Now, if you substitute p1, p2, v1, v2, all the data, you can easily determine the n value. Now n is determined. Hereafter, you can easily determine the work done. Now look at the formula. Work done is equal to P1 V1 minus P2 V2 divided by n minus 1. You know all the value P1 V1 P2 V2, everything is given in the problem. If you substitute all the value in the work done formula, you will be getting W is equal to minus 23.36 kilojoule. Note down, you have got minus symbol due to compression process. You are giving work to the system. So you are getting minus symbol. If it is an expansion process, the answer will be in plus symbol, positive value. For compression, for compressor, you will be getting in minus. For turbine, you will be getting in plus. Next, we are going to determine change in internal energy. So, you know the change in internal energy formula. du is equal to U2 minus U1, that is equal to MCV final temperature minus initial temperature, MCV delta T. We also know that for polytropic process, T2 by T1 is equal to V1 by V2 whole power n minus 1. If you substitute T1, V1, V2 n value, you will be getting T2. Look at this. T2 is equal to, this T1 is brought here, T1 into V1 by V2 whole power n minus 1. T1 known value, V1, V2 given, n we have calculated. If you substitute all the values, you will be getting T2 is equal to 510.26 Kelvin. Next one is CV, C suffix V. Look at the formula carefully. To determine the CV, when the molecular mass is given, the formula is molar specific heat at constant volume divided by molecular mass. So this molar specific heat is given 25, molecular mass is also given 44. Look at the unit conversion carefully. For molar specific heat, the unit is kilojoule per kilogram mole Kelvin. Molecular mass is per mole. That's why we are dividing this by molecular mass. Look at this. This mole gets cancelled. So the unit will be kilojoule per kilogram Kelvin. You know the unit of Cp or Cv will always be in kilojoule per kilogram Kelvin. Since it is a molar specific heat, I am dividing this by molecular mass. Then only this 2 mole gets cancelled and you will be getting the Cv in kilojoule per kilogram Kelvin. We know that R universal gas constant is equal to R mole divided by particular molecular mass. So the universal gas constant R is 8.314. It is a constant value. It will not be given in the problem. You must memorize it. So the R mole is 8.314 divided by particular molecular mass given in the problem. So 8.314 divided by 44. This will be 0.189 kilojoule per kilogram Kelvin. The same unit conversion formula will be applicable. So the unit becomes kilojoule per kilogram Kelvin. If it is an air, you can assume R is equal to 0.287. Since it is a different gas, you have to determine R value. We know that PV is equal to MRT. P1 is given, V1 is given, R just now we have calculated, T1 is given. From this you can calculate mass. You know change in internal energy is equal to MCV delta T. So using this mass, now we can calculate du is equal to 15.053 kilojoule. So to determine du only, we have calculated M. To calculate M, we have determined R. So from this you can calculate du is equal to 15.053 kilojoule. Next one, you have to determine heat transfer Q. Q is equal to W plus du. We know this formula, first law of thermodynamics. Q1 to 2 is equal to W1 to 2 plus du. W we have calculated, du we have calculated. If you substitute both the value, you will be getting heat transfer is equal to minus 8.371 kilojoule. This minus symbol represents heat is lost to the surrounding. If it is a plus, heat is gained. If it is a minus, heat is lost to the surrounding. So I have tabulated all the data. W we have calculated. Change in energy we have calculated. Q is also calculated.